In today's challenge, you've got activities in one column, staff names in another, and some activities are shared by multiple people. But what if you want a clean table where each staff member has their own column, and you can instantly see who is responsible for what? Click Data from Table Range. Why this can be tricky? The hard part is that staff names are packed inside a single text cell, separated by commas and spaces. It's not like we can just pivot straight away. First, we need to pull the names out, generate a unique list of people, and then map each activity to the right person. Sounds messy, but let's see how Power Query can clean it up. We can use Text.Combine function to smash all staff cells into one long text string separated by commas, for example. Comma and space, to be exact. Then Text.Split function with the same delimiter will chop the text back into a list, breaking whenever there is a comma and space. After this, we can use List.Distinct function to remove duplicates so each person appears only once. And we will sort it alphabetically with List.Sort function, just to keep it neat. And now we've got a clean roster of names. I will rename the step to names for clarity. Okay, but how can we build columns for each staff member? Here's where it gets really interesting. We want to create a column for each name. That's what List.Transform is for. Think of List.Transform as do something to each item in the list. In our case, the list is all the staff names. The X is just a placeholder, it's the current name, while we loop through. Then Table.FindText. This looks inside the whole table source for rows containing the staff name. For example, when X is Aiden, it finds every row where Aiden is mentioned. Once we've got those rows, we only care about the activity code column. So activity code in square brackets just pulls that list of codes. For example, for Aiden, it returns PB, PC. We now have a list of lists, one mini list of activity codes for Aiden, one for Adrian, and so on. And finally, we need to stitch those mini lists back into a table. Each list should become a column. So we will use table from columns. The first argument is our previous formula and the second is our names from the previous step. The names step provides the column headers. So the first column is Aiden, the second is Adrian, etc. And there we have it, a perfect responsibility matrix. Each staff member has their own column, with their activities neatly listed below. I'm curious how you'd tackle it. And of course, hit like and subscribe if you want more Power Query challenges, explained step by step. Thanks for watching, see ya!